Hey, Paint Pals, Denny here. Remember I told you earlier that I was going to show you what I got from Amazon, and this is it. This is my little plein air painting kit. Okay, it comes with a lanyard there that I can carry it on my arm. It's got a little wrist thingy that I can carry it that way if I want it. And in here is everything I need to do quick sketch paintings, plein air. Let's take a look at it, okay? Let's take a look. Here we go. It's got a zippered opening, okay? Open it up, and it came with 3 water pens, which I love to use. It came with a collapsible water cup. There we go. Came with a collapsible water cup. And the palette and the mixing center are right there. We just set that down. And it came with, I'm going to set this over here. It came with a book, a sketchbook of watercolor paper. And in this case, it's the good stuff. It's all rag, and it's going to operate just fine. Let me set this over here. Okay, off camera. Now, the way this works is I open this out. I set my palette on it like that, and it even comes with a itty bitty little clamp, okay, that you can open up and secure the palette and the mixing station onto the pad like that. Okay. Now you've got this area in which to paint. These are mini paintings, okay? They're small, but you're doing quick sketches anyway. Included in the set is a raft of paints. And there is just about any color you're going to need. And what is absolutely the best is you've got yellow, blue, and red, which are your primary colors. And with yellow, blue, and red, I can mix any color that I need to. And I've even got ivory black for making our gray washes. Okay? So that all comes in that kit. And I'm going to do a demonstration for you on painting with it, okay? So we're going to go ahead and do some painting, and you can see just exactly how this works. Alrighty, here we go. Now I've sped this up so you can see the process. And one of the things about this paint is it does have nice pigmentation that goes on just fine. And I'm really, really happy about that. Okay. Now I'm going to use some darker. Now we're going to go in here and we're just going to mix it in there and we're going to pull the water across. Notice how that water breaks off of the brush just fine. Makes all the waves we need. Now we're going to come up here and we're coming into some violet, and we need to put some far distant land, and that's what we're doing. Again, pigmentation, just fine. It flows great, not a problem at all. Now, by golly, now we're going to mix some green right into that violet and everything else. Put some black in it. We're going to darken it down, and we'll put some foreground in here. Okay, and again, look at the pigmentation of it. It does a fine job. You cannot argue with how well this paint works. These brushes, well, I've always liked water brushes anyway, so I'm really happy about this. Okay, we just pull it up, and again, the paint does the job. Okay, now let's see here.
We're going to darken it a little bit. Let's put a tree in just because we can. Okay, there we go. Just put the branches in it. And again, notice how well the paint covers. That's exactly what we want it to do. Okay, that's exactly what we want. No, some more dark. We want it a little bit darker. Okay, come in there. Now we're putting some contrast in. And the paint is working for us, not against us. Okay, now that was a little oops, but we just pull the paint out. Just make things a little bit darker. You got better contrast, and the color is certainly more intense. It pulls it forward. And we can scrape some lines in there, and the paper, because it's rag, will take it and it won't tear it apart on you. Okay, we'll pull a few more sticky out branches on it. And now we've got to put one thing that has to be there. We're going to put some birds in. Okay, there we go. 3 birds. This paint works fine. I'm completely satisfied with the kit.